What's up guys, this is Hardik here, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro. So this one is my personal favorite because it protects our phone as well as lets us show off the blue color that we get on the iPhone 12. So I've been using this case for almost a day now, and I'll be telling you guys why this case is perfect for you guys. So with the box itself, so this is the box and it says the iPhone 6.1 inch 2020. So 2020 means the 12 and the 12 Pro, and it says Ultra Hybrid. So the 6.1 inch supports both the 12 and 12 Pro. So even if you buy it for the 12, it will support the 12 Pro, or if you buy it for the 12 Pro, it will support the iPhone 12. So if we just unbox this, you'll get the case, and that is all you'll get in the box itself. You'll get nothing else, just the case. And this is how it will look if you take it out of the box. So this is the case itself. It lets us, or lets me basically, show off the blue color that I have on my iPhone 12, and it also protects my phone that much. And I've been using Spigen products for a while now, for years, taking me back to the Nexus 5 days. So I've been using Spigen since like 6 or 7 years, and I've been a fan of their cases. So we'll just quickly take a close-up or closer look at how the buttons are and also what protection does it provide. So upon taking a closer look, you'll see how the sides are pretty much flat, and you get to see the power button and how it looks. So the power button is nothing but just a button, not a cutout. It's a button, and it's pretty clicky and pretty tactile. On the other hand, you have the volume and the alert slider, and the alert slider is pretty reachable as well. So if you want to see, I'll just quickly push it. Basically how it is supposed to work, and the cutout is pretty deep as well. Then on the bottom we have cutouts for the microphone and the speaker as well as the charging point. So the cutouts are again deep enough, but you get enough space for you to actually put any cable inside. So previous Spigen cases had these issues where you weren't able to actually put any third party cables in, but the cutout is wide enough so you can basically put any adapter or any cable that you want. Then you also get a pretty good cutout for the speaker as well as the microphone. Then coming on to the back of the phone here, as you can see, you get enough protection for your camera. So you have a lip here, and you basically will get a lip on each and every side. So you have it right over here. You will also get it at the bottom on both the sides. So you get enough lip, so even if you put your phone right like this, the back won't be scratched or the camera won't be scratched. So you get enough lip to actually protect the camera. Even on the front, if you guys could pretty much see it, you get a little bit of a lip on the top and on the bottom. So even if you place your phone head down or screen down, the screen won't be damaged. And I also have the Spigen tempered glass installed over here. If you want a video on that as well, let me know. I'll be posting it really soon. So the tempered with the case provides enough protection that you don't need anything else. So iPhones again tend to scratch pretty easy, but by putting on this case and a tempered, I don't think it's gonna scratch that much in the future. One thing I want to answer was people asking me if the case would get yellow or let's say oily or show fingerprints and stuff like that. So this case does show fingerprints, but in my personal opinion, I've been using this same case on my iPhone XR, also on the previous Nexuses and Pixels that I've owned, and after a year of the use, the case tends to scratch a lot, but I've never seen the case getting yellow or oily. So I personally keep my phone in a really good condition, is the reason why I wouldn't be seeing any scratches or oiliness. But again, if you are a hardcore user, the only thing that you will notice is or are the scratchy sides or the scratchy back on the case. Other than that, this case works pretty fine. It will provide you enough protection to basically, even if you drop it, it will bounce off the sides because of the drop protection that this case provides. So it will bounce off the side, and it will basically prevent any damage to your phone. So yeah, that is pretty much it. This is the case. To buy this case, all the links will be in the description down below, so do check it out if you want. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. and I'll catch you guys in the next one.